So yesterday I got a new actual order from Tekton because I needed to fill a couple of my socket trays up. Not all of them are Tekton, some are Sonex and some of them other company, but most of them are Impacts. So we'll go from here. So there's 7/8, 3/8, deep, 13/16 from Tekton, shallow, let's see here, 7/8 shallow, 1 inch shallow, 3/8, 13/16 deep, carriage bolt 3/4 from GP. That one I got it on Amazon. I would put that right with my other Impacts so that it doesn't get lost. Oh, big one for cat motors for oil drain plug, 1.5 inch from Tekton. That was only like 12 bucks, so it couldn't go wrong. 15/16 shallow, 3/8. And then I also got 1/2 inch extensions because the Husky only came with one, so I wanted more. And there's also a 10 inch that's right there. So and this one's a 1/2 inch 12 mil because I needed to fill up the rest of that. So that's what I got for Tekton. So then I got, I'm gonna focus, 5/8, 1/4 inch. This is Proto, shallow. That one I got from, I think, Amazon. And then 12 mil, 1/2 inch, shallow. 20 mil, 3/8, shallow. 5/8 from Proto for 1/4. 11 deep for 1/2 inch. 10 shallow for 1/2 inch. 1 inch for 3/8 deep. 20 mil deep for 3/8. 15/16 deep for 3/8. And then 10 millimeter deep and shallow for 1/2 inch, or 11 millimeter shallow. And that's really it, what I got for new tools. Alright, if you have any questions, hit me up.